Hello, this is Angeline here. Today I'll be making a card using the brand new Holtz Collage papers. Yes, I finally got my hands on them and they are beautiful! So first up, I already stamped and colored this cute wine bottle and glass from Unity. I already cut them at the top to expose them and the bottom kind of looking like a table. And this cute sentiment. And I've gotten 2 new tubes of this Holtz Collage papers, which is so pretty. But today I'm using the black and white, which is called the Botanical, which is really fun to color in. So I'm using my Creative Devotion crayons here. I'm flipping it over to color it from behind so that the details from the front is not lost and I don't have to color in so perfectly. It kind of be messy and all, but it'll still look great. Just check it out. So I'm just going to be coloring in the rest of the image here, and that's it. Next, I'm grabbing some Distress Collage Medium in matte to stick the collage paper onto my card, and I'm grabbing the Distress Collage brush to brush it all on. Then just place your collage paper on it, adjust it, and make sure you're happy with it, press it down, and let it dry. Once that's dry, just trim the edges off and it's time to adhere everything else onto the card. So here is my finished card. I hope you enjoyed this technique and do try it out for yourself. Thanks for watching. Bye!